We empower future makers. That's the goal of Instutute 4.0, the leading educational center for robotics, technology and coding. We want to take children from consuming to creating. #RealLife. That's the name of the game. We bring real industry to our classrooms, always open to new ideas and discoveries. We are a knowledge factory. We are equipping your children with knowledge of the future. For us, it doesn't count what the student could know in theory. We teach our students to deliver real results, and that's important. But our true value is not only in what we do, it's also in how we do it. Our teaching methods are based on latest discoveries of neuroscience. For young children, we developed learning through play model that enables significantly higher retention of knowledge, learning and having fun. Passionate cocktail. The same we wish for their future, and so, hopefully, with our contribution, your children will develop into grown-ups with a lifelong passion for solving challenges of tomorrow. Cheers to the future makers! See you at the Instutute 4.0.